And the next thing that I wanted to show you, which is our part 3 of the release, are these new category. So this is the product I think which we have worked longest on. We did a lot of samplings, but we were never happy with the quality of the cuts. And this new product that we are launching are called CrafTangles chipboard cuts, and currently we are launching 6 new colors, 6 new designs. And most of you who are into crafting would already know what chipboard cuts are. So these are laser cut chipboards, and this is heavily used in card making, scrapbooking and mixed media. You can color on top of this, you can do spraying on top of this, you can do embossing on top of it, anything that you like. Basically whatever you can do on paper you can do here. Okay, and you can see how thick it is. Quite thick of a chipboard. I think it's more than 1 mm, 1 mm, yeah, easily more than 1 mm. And you can see all these are attached, so with some small areas. So let me just zoom in. Do you see that? So these are the small areas from where they are attached. So all you have to do is take a X-Acto knife. So take a knife like this and just cut it over here. Let me show you. Okay. I don't want to scratch my glass media mat. That is, I'm not putting a lot of pressure. Okay, so that is how you cut, and you remove the piece and then you cut from here and this piece will come out. So similarly all the elements are stuck with such kind of smaller kings, so that it doesn't fall out on you. So most of the time it will not fall out on you, and then you just take a X-Acto knife, do those small cuts, and then you can use them individually on your projects. I'll just go through the design. So this is the first design, which is My Valentine, and you get all these beautiful cutouts that you can use on your project. Now, quick tidbit, this was actually supposed to be released along with our wedding bells paper. So you will see many of these designs will perfectly coordinate with our love sentiments, our wedding sentiments and our wedding bell paper. That is because we wanted to release everything together, but you know how the plans have changed this year, right? So unfortunately, due to manufacturing restrictions, we could not do this at that point of time, and we had to remove this from the release. And we released the papers, the sentiment sheets and the element pack then, and we are releasing the chipboards now. They can be used individually as is on your scrapbook layouts, on your mixed media projects. However, they also tie in beautifully with those papers to make a themed layouts. So this is My Valentine. Then the second is a honeycomb favorite, a honeycomb pattern, a crowd favorite. All you have to do is just cut it and use it on your project. Now this is one of my most favorite design whenever I do my mixed media tags or mixed media projects. Then the third one is Dulhe Raja. So this is again, it ties up with that wedding bells paper and wedding sentiments, where we had Indian sentiments. So here you can see this handsome chacha, Dulhe Raja, cool bhaiya, bindas mamu, pyare papa, one big happy family. So this is the guy side of the chipboard cutouts, you could say, and all these we have incorporated our Indian sentiments and Indian sayings, so it can make those wedding albums that you are making or mixed media albums that you are making more Indian. Then similarly we have Dulhania, where you have Dulhania, and then we have Darling Didi, Senti Mom, Pyari Bhabhi, Fabulous Mami, Charming Chachi. So here we have all the females and here we have all the males, and you can combine the two and make your beautiful wedding scrapbook layouts or albums or whatever you have to make. And again, these are all Indian sayings that we have tried and incorporated. Then this is the fifth design, which is gears. So mixed media, so there are some of the basic things that you need in your mixed media, which can work anywhere, and we feel gears are one of them. And you can see how many gears are there. I think there could be easily more than 20 gears over here. I'm not sure, I'm not counted. So you can see that there are big gears like these, and then there are small gears like these. Again, all of them are attached with those slight kinks, and all you have to do is just cut them, and you can remove the gears and then use on your project. So these are the gears which you can use. So they'll give dimensions on your project, on your mixed media project, and again can be easily used on anything, like be it scrapbook layouts, wedding mini albums, even your mixed media projects. So there are many places where you can use them. And the last one that we are releasing is antique lace. Again, this would make a beautiful mandala background. You can also use this as a base for your diyas, or to put your candle lights, etc. So you could also do that and then make a hanging, or a wooden decoupage platter kind of a thing. So on platter you could use this for dimension, color this, foil this. So you can actually even foil this. So whatever you want to do. There are so many ideas, guys. So these are the 6 chipboard cuts that we are releasing. All of them measures 6 by 6 inch in size. So this is 6 inch by 6 inch base, and then you cut it out and use it on your projects. And these are priced at 150 rupees per chipboard pack. And of course, if you buy the entire bundle, you will get flat 10% off. This bundle will also be available on our bundle page. So this is our third part of our release, which is chipboard cutouts. And trust me, I have some ideas. Unfortunately, I could not make some mixed media projects. However, let me show you. I have already used it in one of my projects, and I'll show you. Give me a minute, guys. Okay. So here are the sample pieces that I had created quite some time back, because as I said, that we were working on this thing since ages and we could not get perfect cutouts. But I had a lot of samples and I have used them in my mixed media projects, even though you did not know that they were our products. But yeah, because at that point of time they had not been released. So this are some of them. Now here, this heart shape that you see in this altered tissue box is that cutout from this particular first design that I showed you. So this cutouts of the heart is what I have used over here as a backing. Okay, and then I removed this couple cutout and I have used it over here. Okay, I feel it's a beautiful focal point on your mixed media projects. And then I had altered this box. So it's just a box that I had altered, and you can see I've used this focal point. Again, over here also I have done the same thing. I have used the heart as well as this couple. Let me just, yeah. So again the same thing. So this is the heart, and then I cut out the couple, and then at the back I have added one resin frame and I have used them. So these are some of the samples that I had created long back, but at that point of time we were still working on getting something better for you all. We were working on a better cuts, etc. So that is why there was some delay, but this is how you can use them on your mixed media projects. Okay. So those were chipboard cuts, and I'll give me a minute. I'll just clear my table and I'll come back for the next part.